Let's talk about every single king of Rohan from the very first one to the very as far as we knowest one. Guys, the Lord of the Rings, the War of the Rohirrim is fast approaching. It is deceptively close now, and what better way to celebrate that than by talking about every single king of one of the most beloved kingdoms of all time, Rohan. So Rohan, or the Riddermark, was the land of the Rohirrim, also known as the Horse Lords. And it actually used to be known as Calenardon and belonged to Gondor before it was eventually given to the Rohirrim, but we'll get to that later. Before we get to the first king of Rohan, we have to talk about this guy. This is Fram of the Eothade people, the ancestors of the Rohirrim. Fram is very well known for being a dragon slayer. He slew Scartha the Worm, one of the only other great drakes that we know of from the Third Age outside of Smaug. Anyway, let's get to the very first king of Rohan, the descendant of Fram. We have Eorl the Young. Eorl the Young was the very first king of Rohan, and his horse, Felaroth, was the very first of the Miras and the ancestor to Shadowfax. Eorl was given the realm of Calenardon, which later became the kingdom of Rohan, by Gondor when he